There are actually 3 parts to the Forever in Our Hearts collection from Hunkydory. Let me show you the very first one, which is the luxury card topper. Of course, there's going to be ideas included. You can always count on Hunkydory for that. But let me walk you through the 104 die cuts that are foiled that come in this collection. Now, this is perfect for sympathy cards. They are very understated, very beautiful. As you can see, the foiling is what you would expect in loving memory. So lots of greetings with sympathy, with love. You're going to get 2 of each thing that I'm going to show you. Here is the next one. Again, multiple layers of frames, as well as greetings, borders, and special things for you. You can see the flowers are very muted, and the silver foiling really is a nice reflection of all of them. Now, this is die cut so that you can layer on some of the other flowers if you choose to. In addition, I am always here for you. You are in my thoughts. So all of those. Then there are 8 foiled adorable scoreable like this. Here is another. And again, the artwork is going to be similar to what's on the other sheets. Then you're going to get 4, whoops, there's the other adorable scoreable that is foiled. And then there are 4 that are printed. And again, they are that heavyweight cardstock that people love so much. And the colors are compatible, of course, with all of those. So the die cuts, the foiled adorable scoreable, the printed adorable scoreable, and the idea sheet comes with it. In addition, there's more. There is also printed parchment. There are 2 each of these also. Now, the parchment is like vellum. It's a heavyweight vellum. And you can see that the corners have more artwork. The middle is very ghosted. 2 of these, 2 of these, 2 of the roses, and 2 of the orchids. Very, very pretty. Now, I told you there were 3. And here is the 3rd one. This is a paper pad, and this is measuring, I believe it is 5 by 8. And let me show you all of the artwork that's included. You're going to get 4 each of the 12 designs that I'm going to show you. And some of them come like this, where you're actually getting 2. In fact, I think many of them do. So here again, it's the artwork that you saw in the die cuts, but just expanded to create papers so that you can use, or more focals that you can use. These could certainly be the front of your card or the inside. They'd be quite lovely and very handy to have on hand too. Certainly that type of event can come unexpectedly, and it's nice to have these on hand. I do believe that these would be beautiful artwork also for birthdays, Mother's Day, thinking of you, get well. In addition, there are some greetings. There are 4 of them on this one. So it's just, again, very much of the sympathy. And you'll have this one, so you're going to get 4 of each, and this one, and 1 more. So much smaller ones that you can cut out. All of them just beautifully executed by Hunkydory. So you've got the paper pad, you have the parchment, and you have the Forever in My Heart luxury card kit. All of them coordinated perfectly together.